Kapuso actress Ashley Ortega was emotional after she and her duo AC Bonifacio got nominated for eviction in Pinoy Big Brother. Pinoy Big Brother, Celebrity Club Edition, just had its first nomination night. In this edition, they shied away from the traditional single nominees. The celebrities were paired, which meant they were also nominated for eviction as pairs. Among the duos nominated for the week are Ralph De Leon and Michael Sager, who got 10 points, AC Bonifacio and Ashley Ortega, who received 9 points, and Will Ashley and River Joseph, who received 8 points. Based on the nomination, the Dustin Uesner duo and Mika Salamanca-Brent Manalo pair did not receive any points, while the team of Charlie Fleming and Bianca De Vera were given immunity from the nomination. Talking to Big Brother, one of the nominees, Ashley, emotionally opened up after she was nominated for eviction. Opening up to Kuya, she expressed that the nomination made her feel like a failure. For her, it felt like no matter how hard she tried to prove herself, she still couldn't make it. Who voted for her to be evicted and what was said did not matter as the outcome was more on her. She felt like it was her personal doing, and what even made these emotions heavier was the expectations she set for herself. She expected to last inside the house, but based on her current situation, there's a huge percentage that she and her duo would be the first ones to exit the house. Kahit mahirap kuya gusto kong patunayan sa sarili ko na kaya ko, she expressed and added that she still wanted to make it up to her mother and prove to her that she has become a better person based on the video. Meanwhile, the show is hosted by Sparkle artists Gabby Garcia and Mavi Legaspi, as well as Kapamilya hosts Robbie Domingo, Bianca Gonzalez, Melay Cantiveros, King Chu, Enchong D, and Alexa Ilacad. What can you say about this? Let us know in the comments.